Probably afterwards I'm not gonna recognize me, but yeah, we'll see. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, today I'll be getting my eyebrows done, right? You see this perfect eyebrows every day 24/7. That is because I got it done microblading. I used to have to use the pencil to draw it because them just thin. So I just decided that I was gonna get this done, so I did it January. I did it, I was supposed to come back and get the whole touch-up done like 6 weeks afterwards, but me and the time and work, it never had a work out. So I'm gonna finally get the time to come now, so I'm gonna try my best to, well, with the permission of the person that's doing it, if I could vlog a little bit of the process to let you guys see. This video might be combined, it will be combined with some other ones, because I'll be doing also, want to get my lashes done and a facial, right? So you know, if that's alright with the persons also, I'll vlog that part for you guys also. So yeah, oh, before I forget, where I'm at is Jamaica Beauty Bar. It's in Portmore. Sure, man, never have no issue with getting it done and all if you're interested. I'll also probably insert some pictures to show you like the healing process, or you know, explain stuff to you, because it takes sometimes to get healed. You have to go through the whole shedding process and all. But yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, this is the numbing process. So you know, put on the numbing cream, wait for 45 minutes, and then we'll get back to it. just another update. I'm at what, day 3, right? And not much has changed. I don't know, my healing process is a bit different this time around. I don't really see any shedding, or I think probably it's too early for that. So yeah.
One eternity later.
Hey y'all, I'm actually a head up now. See, I'm a head mad. So yeah, me actually get that sorted out. Me go what get some box braids in. Me go try give now like a, you know, like a video on that. So now and again me ask somebody to get some parts of that for me. So yeah, journey along with me. Alright guys, so as you can see, my hair done and thing, look on it. Yeah, so that's it for this part. Tell me one thing about it if it look nice and thing, and I can't link with her. Yeah, so yeah.
2 days later.
Yes guys, so now I'm on my way to get my lashes done. See, and you know, like always, on a journey with me. So you know, you see me the next time, you're not gonna really recognize me, see? But anyways, as you know, like I said, the good girl I come out and ting. Anyways guys, journey with me. We can check her out and the same name for IG too, know? Yeah. Come out. Well, look. Come right out. Oh, nice. And I like it.
Yes guys, hope you enjoy some self-care video. It is very important that you take care of yourself, especially in this period, this COVID time. If it means that doing the nails helps to relax your mind, if your hair or your face, whatever it is, just make sure you want to take care of yourself, because that is very important. But guys, I tell you the truth. You see, this little piece I'm about to show you, it's when Samz said it, I was like, okay, look on it first and then maybe tell you what I mean.
Probably afterwards I'm not gonna recognize me, but yeah, we'll see. I'm not gonna recognize me.
You tell me now. Guess from the first time she say to the amount of times I'm watch back the video, even while editing, me really have to ask myself, and I did ask her the question, you know. I asked her if it's an awning she go put on, why you would recognize her, because if you go put on a simple eyelash, why wouldn't you recognize her? But anyways, you can comment below and tell me if you recognize that it was her, or there was this drastic change that magically happened. But anyways guys, like we say, it's very important to take care of yourself. I mean, I've been staying away from the barber because of the spike in cases, but I'll definitely get a shave, probably get a facial or so. I won't video though, but I'll definitely take care of myself, and you should too. So anyways guys, like I've been saying in my last few videos, your mental health is very important, and I'll continue to say it. It is sad to me now that a lot of persons are saying that they need to enjoy life and their friends should enjoy life, but they're only saying it because somebody died for them. Please don't wait until it's too late, or don't wait until it gets to that point before you decide to take care of yourself. Don't wait until that point before you go out there and enjoy yourself. We have safe ways of doing so. Please utilize that. Protect your mental health. Guys, protect your mental health. It is very important, and you need to remain happy. Stay calm. COVID won't last forever. It won't. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Remember to tell your friends and your family to subscribe to our channel and to enjoy watching our videos. It might very well help you with your mental health. So anyways guys, the journey continues, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Later.